Hi and welcome back. I'm finally in Cornwall and here I am at the wonderful Burncoose Nurseries near Redruth. Like Desert to Jungle, this nursery also offers mail order services, so if you see any plants on this tour that you like, do check out their website. Here we are greeted by these beautiful colours on the dahlias. Some lovely colours on the rocks here. Some lovely foliage colours as well. It's the location of Burncoose that makes it quite special. Just lovely tree ferns and foliage growing on the walls here. What is that climber? Gorgeous colours on this one. It's heuchera. Stunning tree fern. All these are just growing out the wall here. And here's left from the Cornish cottage garden, already getting stuck in. It's called Fuchsia Dying Embers. It's hardy. I'll be picking one of these up. And as Leff has said, this is also a hardy fuchsia. Fuchsia
Magellanica.
Look at those lovely flowers. Yep, I'm picking one of these up.
Although this is another part shade, sun to part shade. Well, no, it's just part shade.
Yeah, it's choices. There's so many of them. I'm thinking I'm going to go for this one with the orange flower, but I'm really tempted by this gold spot as well.
Get both?
Yeah, maybe. So we've made a selection. I've gone for the Hedychium Coranium gold spot. This one's really nice because it's actually got 4 of them in there. I've got this Hedychium Densiflorum Assam orange. Just one of them growing. And Leff has picked up the Hedychium Spicatum Liberty. And there's 2 of them in the pot as well, so I think he's got a good deal there. In fact, I might have to pick one up myself. Some Magnolia grandifloras. Quite a few different varieties. See, Burncoose kind of specialises in the magnolias, rhododendrons, the hydrangeas, and there's some beautiful magnolias in here. I'm just not going to buy any more acid-loving plants for my garden. For now, anyway. So much variety though. Really like the leaf shape on this one. Campbelli Treble Homan. Deep rose pink with purple shading. Magnolia Dilavei. Some interesting leaves on some of these. This is a beautiful bamboo with the sun shining off it just out there. That's where I'm heading next. And left from the cottage Cornish garden is already there.
Bamboo, anyone?
Crazy hot day and it's really nice just standing here in the midst of these sprinklers by the bamboo section. Trying to see if anything stands out to me on first glance, but I think it's mainly the kind of standard varieties they have in most places. I did pick up some of this Pleoblastus, like a low growing bamboo from here a few years back, and I picked up this one as well. Both of them are really nice. Oh, this is actually black bamboo, Philostachys nigra. And being small clumps here, this is probably ones after it flowered, so all good. I've been telling Left from the Cornish Cottage Garden he should get some bamboo. And I think these are actually good shouts. Melianthus major, which I've actually been after one of these for quite a while. £18.50. Don't know if that's a good price or not. This is where all the tropical look plants seem to be. With cord lines, lovely variety of canna lilies. It's got really nice velvety leaves. There's the Tetrapanaxes. Oh, these ones are pricey. Ah, that's a Calipanax, that's why. These look quite nice, don't they? Pseudopanax Cyril Wilson. Lots of collector's plants in here. Pseudopanax ferox, the Crassifolius. Let's check out the prices of these. £30, quite reasonable, and that's got a few freebies in that one. Acacia dilbata and Purpurea. Do they have it in stock? I can't see it, so I don't think so. That's a damn shame, because I didn't pick one up from Desert to Jungle. I had this one before as well. It didn't manage to survive a fairly mild winter. Oh, and here's more of the chocolate ones. The umbrella variety.
It's warm in here, Ross.
It is warm. It is hot. Oh, these are the Aesculus. So these are like conker trees, horse chestnuts. I bought the Aesculus ex neglecta from here a few years back, and I've been very pleased with it. That's the one I bought. These are the beautiful colours it produces. What I'm actually interested in now is that plant at the back, or this plant here, because I don't know what it is. But I do like those leaves. Aesculus indica. Interesting. There's one with a nice flush of leaves at the back as well. So they grow to 15 metres. £35. Beautiful flush of new growth. Look at this one as well. Never heard of it. Large American nut bearing tree. Very similar to the Aurelia without the spikes. That's a forest pansy. Yeah, they are really expensive. I saw one of these at Desert to Jungle as well. Here comes Lef having a mooch. I'll tell him about some of the plants I'm interested in a minute. Here we go, Lef. This is one of those really fast growing trees. Paulownia tomentosa.
How tall does this get?
I think it's not about how tall it gets, it's about how big it gets in one season, which is very big. £40. Although no access, that's some fantastic looking bamboo. Although I'm not after one, some excellent prices on the Aces in my opinion. £100. I've seen ones like this for £300-400. Some of the local more expensive garden centres to me. Beautiful colours on these leaves. That's a really nice Acer. It's about having the space in my car there. Royal purple. We've also got this more, well, lighter coloured one, Grace. And at £50, these larger ones, exceptional value in my opinion. So I'll be picking up another one of these for my garden. Right, so Jeeves has got all the plants. If you could bring them out to the car, that'd be brilliant. I'll see you on the next one.